If you're like me, you probably have at least a few pieces of scrap wood in your garage. I'm going to show you how I made 2 shelves for my half bathroom completely from scrap wood. All you need is 1x boards in whatever width you choose and some 1x2 pieces. I used a 1x6 and a 1x4 cut to the length that I wanted. And to create the narrow shelf brackets, I cut some 1x2s at 2.5 inches and some at 3.25 inches with both ends mitered at 45 degrees. And here's my little disclaimer. Please remember to wear your safety gear and follow guidelines when working with power tools. Here I'm showing you how those small pieces will fit together as a bracket for my narrow shelf. For the wider shelf brackets, I cut 2 1x2 pieces at 5 inches. Then I also cut 2 at 6 inches. And this will serve as the support piece. And then I also cut 2 more mitered pieces at 6 inches as well, with the 45-degree miter on each end. I will have my measurements listed in the description box as well, but I'll also plan on writing a blog post for this to list all my cuts and everything like that, so that should be up on my website in a few days. And here's how the bracket will come together under the shelf. This is it under the board. Of course, this is upside down. For the larger brackets, I assembled the 5-inch and 6-inch pieces at a 90-degree angle, and I used wood screws and also used a countersink bit so that these would sit flush under the shelf. I came up with this makeshift corner clamp to help with this step. I'm going for a minimal modern look in the half bathroom, so I painted the shelves black and left the brackets in the natural wood tone. It took 2 coats of primer and 3 coats of this Rustoleum paint to fully cover, but it's what I had on hand. You could use whatever paint you want to. To hang my shelves, I attached the larger brackets to the underside of the shelf with the 1.25 inch wood screws, and I did 1 screw through each support piece into the wall. I did have to use wall anchors for this one because I did not have studs to go into. For the narrow shelf, the brackets are attached to the back edge with pocket hole screws, and it just so happened that the placement aligned exactly where wall studs were, so I didn't need anchors for this one. And then to finish, I tacked those mitered pieces on using 5/8 inch brad nails. It did take me some time to figure out all my cuts and the angles that I needed to get these shelves made, but I am so happy that I could make 2 shelves out of all scrap wood that I had in my garage. I'm excited to finally get this bathroom finished so I can share the results with you all. I hope you enjoyed this scrap wood shelf tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe for more home decor on a budget. Don't forget to check the description box for the list of all my measurements and everything I used for this project, and for more information about where to contact me. Thanks for watching.